said that. And I'm Dottie. We just got Botox. Oh, yeah, and I'm feeling right now, but you can't even tell because my face is stuck this way. How do you feel? I feel great.